Okay, this is where actually so far we've seen previous videos. First Fourier transform, DFT, DAT, DFT, DIF, and then I inverse DFT, DIT. So these are the topic we already completed. So see the previous videos, and this one is inverse DFT using DIF and final in FFT algorithm. So we know that DFT, DIT and DAF, what's the difference? So that's the main difference is butterfly diagram. So this is a butterfly diagram. Started stage one and stage two and stage three. So it is DIF. For DIT, so this is the way the diagram will be shown. First 2 point and 4 point and then 8 point. For DIF, so this is a diagram. Okay. So first of all, this is an example they given for DIF. So this is a given example. So here for DIF, you know, so first you have to take the example. Just given values x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3, x of 4. You just write it what they given. And this butterfly diagram, you know that input is given as normal order, output you will be getting bit reversed order. In DIT, input is bit reversed order, output is normal order, and this one is DIF, distribution in frequency. It is input is normal order, and this one is bit reversed order as a output. Okay, so that is given, and complex conjugate of, because there is inverse DFT, so inverse DFT you have to take it complex conjugate. Complex conjugate, it's very simple. That imaginary part, that the star indicated, that imaginary part, the sign value is changed, so different. Okay, so total factor we already discussed in previous videos. That e power minus a 2 pi k n divided by capital N. So that is a formula we already discussed in previous videos, total factors. So here you know the formula, I will show the formula, main formula. Okay, this is the formula. So for first one, DIT, the formula is a plus b total factor, a minus b total factor. And here we are going to say about DIF. So a plus b. So first half is a plus b and second half a minus b total factor. Hold the bracket total factors. This is we have to see. Okay. So in the formula, so the first for, this is 8 point DFT. So first year 4 is a plus b total factor, and next 4 is a minus b whole bracket total factor. And this is a for stage 2. First 2 is a plus b, and second 2 is a minus b whole bracket total factor. And this one is first 2 is a plus b, and second 2 is a minus b whole bracket total factor. And stage 3, first one is a plus b and second one is a minus b whole bracket total factor. The formula is applied like that, and this one is a plus b and a minus b whole bracket total factor. So this is the way you have to calculate it. So see, so the input, we know that, so this is the input for normal order. Then stage 1 and stage 2 and stage 3. So a plus b total factor, first 4 is a plus b total factor. So here a is 2 and b is 0, so 2 plus 0. Okay, 2 plus 0 is 2. So here they shown. Then in this one, this is a zero point 0.5 plus j 1.207. If it is imaginary value is there, for adding and multiplying, you have to use the scientific calculator just to put it in radian mode. Then you can use a calculator. So for I, here the j, the calculator you are using I, so use that shift engineer, then you will get it I value. So I is nothing but the j value. Okay, so example, I type the calculator zero point 0.5 plus I shift I 1.207 like that. For multiplying, adding, anything, you have to use the calculator because that is easy to get the value. And this one, then second one, this is zero point 0.5. So this is a value, and b is again zero point 0.5 minus j 0.207. So then you will be get the values 1.1 plus 1 j. Okay, if you add the value, I already said use the calculator and put the value, you will be get the value like that. And third one, this is also a plus b. A is 0, then b is 0. A is 0 plus 0 is 0, and zero point 0.5. So a and b, the value a plus b, the value is here. and this one is this last four is a minus b whole bracket total factor. So a is this one and b is 0. So a minus 2 minus 0 and total factor is this one. So 2 minus 0 e power 0 total factor is 1. So anything power is 0 1. So that is shown in here, see, yeah, a plus a minus b. A is 2 minus b is 0 total factor, the value is 2 because anything power 0 is 1, that is 2. And next one, so this is next one. So what is a here? So zero point 0.5, this is a minus b. So a minus b total factor value. So this is a total factor value and use that value. So finally you have to do the like that. If you complete the value using calculator, and stage 2 also you have to use first 2 is a plus b and second 2 is a minus b whole the bracket total factor. Similarly use this. So this is a calculation table, you can check it for the calculation table. And finally you got the value in bit reversed order. So the bit reversed order values, the first one is this is bit reversed order we already shown told in previous videos. So you check the videos. So bit reversed order, the first is even, last is add, like that. Only interchange between these two. So you got the value like that. So you write it values normal order. Okay. X of 0, then x of 1 is 4, then x of 2 is 4, x of 3 is 4, then x of 5 is 0. So like that you have to write it. See, x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, x of 3, like that. Then this is inverse DFT. So whole output will be have to divide by n. N is here 8 point DFT, so it is 8. So if you divide it and you got the values 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So this is the final answer. Okay, and thank you.